Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make your Valorant profile public and tracker. Right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just go ahead over to tracker.gg. Okay, hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Go ahead and choose Valorant right here. And then once done, just go ahead and click on sign in with a Riot ID. Okay, right here in the center. So just click on it, and the moment you sign in or link your tracker.gg and a Valorant account, it'll be automatically set to public. Okay, just click on authorize like so, and then once done, your profile again is now public. Now let's say you already have made your profile private. So how do we make it public? Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and sign into that specific account. After you've logged in, you can go ahead over to Valorant right here at the top. If it says here, make private, okay, make your account private, well, you're good to go. If you want to make your account private, well, by all means, just click on make private right here. It says disable access to your account or Valorant profile, revoke access. Okay, it says here profile is now private. That's basically it. Now when you go ahead and go back, like so, if you want to make it public in the future, well, just go ahead over to Valorant once more. And just sign in with your Riot ID right here. Okay? I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.